girls okay? I can't call and report it because the phones don't work without electricity. You can only get 3G here with no power.
Granny, this is like the Dark Ages. No phone's working, how long will it be for?
How's Granny supposed to know? We are in the country.
It's just... I have some important things to do.
Calling Brandon. That's all, Granny. I suppose the boyfriend will die a broken heart if she can't message him every few seconds.
Shut up!
There's plenty to do to while away an afternoon. I'm sure everything will be back on soon.
Will we have to go to bed with a candle? It's very romantic.
It's not. It's scary.
Oh, I know. Let's bake a cake. Or we could make some biscuits. We've got the gas oven.
No thanks, I'm on a diet.
Lily used your weighing scales this morning, Granny, and she kicked them, saying, "Liar, liar!"
Why don't you mind your own business?
Mummy says it's important to eat healthily and not worry about weight. She threw our scales away.
Well, sensible mummy. All this worrying about weight, it does you no good.
Well, I've given up gluten and gone vegan, so I can't eat wheat, flour or butter.
Since when?
This morning.
Well, we'll make them alone. And when the delicious smell wafts through, I'll remind you that you can't have any.
Oh, right. Lulu, you have some family history homework to do.
Mm-hmm.
I think this will help you. And I think your history will be a little bit different to the other girls. Now then, come on. Let me show you.
Have we got a murderer in the family?
Oh.
Don't be ridiculous, Ruby.
Oh, now then. This is your great-grandfather's badge from the RAF. He was in the Air Force. Oh, my. Oh, these were his ration cards, look.
Ration cards?
Mm. Food was rationed during the Second World War too. Oh, few eggs and a block of butter and perhaps 6 sausages just for 1 week.
Whole week?
Mm-hmm.
I'm starved.
Yes.
This is 1914, just before the First World War, and this will be your great-grandma Susie and all her family. Quite a lot of them.
There's so many people. These must be her friends too.
No, Dumbo, they had big families back then.
Indeed they did. There were 9 girls and 4 boys. Those 2 there, that's their mother and the father. See?
Ethel, Lindy, Lottie, Winifred, Hermione, Hepsy Baha, Edna. What old-fashioned names? Hermione's okay though, as it's in Harry Potter.
God, you know nothing. Names change with fashion and age. Your grandchildren will think that Ruby's old-fashioned. That's just how it goes.
That's true, Ruby. I mean, my name, Beatrice, it's not used nowadays, but I'm sure it will come back again. Oh my, what's this?
Oh my God. Annie, you were really good. Mum said that you didn't finish your art training.
No. Well, I left to get married. I married at 21. Oh, might have the wedding photograph here, look. There we go. Married, look.
You were once quite pretty, Granny.
Hey!
Learn some manners. Granny's still lovely.
Thank you.
But she's not quite the same.
Oi! Well, quite quite a bit of weight and a few wrinkles later, but my heart is still in the same place. Oh, and the most interesting item, Lulu, well, items, there's a couple here, are these, look. Look at those.
My God, what are they for?
Your great-grandfather, my father, got shot down while flying his plane in the RAF in the war. And he had a really bad accident.
What happened?
Well, he lost part of his face and an eye.
God, how terrible.
He went to, where was it now? Yes, East Grinstead Plastic Surgery Unit. And they made this for him to help him to look normal. Well, as normal as could be.
Is that him?
Mm.
He must have looked a bit strange.
Never really noticed. Played with us and we sang songs and played the piano. To me, he looked fine. Perfect, in fact.
OMG! Is that him?
Is it him, Granny? It looks like him.
He must want to say hello.
Oh, there's internet again. Can I take these photos for my project?
Of course you can.
Take a photo of this one.
Wasn't he handsome?
Where?
Oh, this is what I wore when I got married, look.
Can I wear it?
Of course you can, yeah. Let's have a look what else we